And tonight's matchup between the Braves and the Colorado Rockies postponed because Colorado getting hit with another bomb cyclone. That's Coors Field right now.
Hello, Colorado in the spring.
More than 700 flights in and out of Denver have been canceled. They could get 4 to 10 inches of snow. But truth be told, that snow could be gone by tomorrow afternoon at this time, is how it works there. A bomb cyclone is when air pressure rapidly drops, causing storm conditions to increase dramatically. That would be the interstate there leading into the Colorado Rockies. That game's been rescheduled for August. And quite frankly, you don't know what you're going to get in Denver in late August, Cheryl.